Today we have very good news for you, and we have new settlement for $140 million. Whoever was TRC suspended in New York City. Let's talk to our pro leader Barry Desai, and she's gonna give you update.
My name is Beta Desai. I'm the Executive Director of the New York Taxi Workers Alliance. Brothers and sisters, I have incredible news. If you were driving Uber, Lyft, yellow cab, green cab, livery, black car, any TLC vehicle from 2003 to 2020, and you were suspended following an arrest, well, we just won our case. We reached a settlement for $140 million to go back to the drivers, a settlement with the TLC and the City of New York, because while TLC has a right to suspend your license if you were arrested, they must still give you a fair hearing. In a case filed by our union and some drivers, the federal court found that the TLC did not give drivers a fair hearing after they suspended you. And so now drivers will be able to get back money for the money that you lost for the days that you were suspended. It took us 19 years to win this fight. We have a class action, so over 20,000 drivers are going to be getting back the money from this $140 million fund. Now, we reached the settlement between our attorneys and the city's attorneys, so now the judge in the case must approve our settlement agreement. After that, our lawyers will set up the process for you to file your claim. Please be ready. Soon that process will begin. Our union, the Taxi Workers Alliance, we not only fight for the drivers every single day, we were one of the plaintiffs in this lawsuit, and that was important in order to get this a victory as a class action lawsuit. When you build the union, brothers and sisters, you build our power to win. Today, we have won $140 million from the TLC for having unfair hearings after a suspension. This victory is just a few months since we won a victory where the Attorney General's office reached a settlement with Uber and Lyft for $328 million back to the drivers. Uber and Lyft between 2014 to 2017 were charging the cost of the Black Car Fund surcharge and the sales tax to the driver instead of the passenger. Well, 60,000 plus drivers already got their money back, but some of you still have to apply. You must apply by March 31st. Come to our union office, 31-10 37th Avenue, Long Island City, New York, 11101. You can call us at 718-706-9892. Right now, we are open from Sunday through Friday, 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. to help you apply before March 31st for the Uber Lyft settlement for drivers who drove for Uber or Lyft between 2014 to 2017. And soon, the claims process will open up for the $140 million settlement fund for those of you who were unfairly suspended by the TLC between 2003 to 2020 following an arrest. Build the union, brothers and sisters. It's only $100 a year. We do not waste your money. We are the union that fights and wins. Join us.
And one more question for you. And do you have any idea how much drivers are getting money for this 140 million? What is the period to how many months?
Yes.
Can you give some example for the drivers?
Yes. So for the $140 million settlement fund, this is only for drivers who are suspended following an arrest. Again, the TLC can suspend you, but they must give you a fair hearing. Between 2003 and 2020, not one driver had their suspension lifted by the city. That's why the federal court said that these hearings were unfair. As part of this settlement, If you were suspended for less than 30 days, you will get back $700. Between 26 to 31 days, it's $750. 32 to 60 days, it's $21,000. If you were suspended between 61 to 90 days, it's $24,000. Between 91 to 120 days of suspension, $27,000. Between 121 to 210 days of suspension, you will get back $30,000. If you are suspended between 211 to 390 days, it will be $33,000. If you are suspended for more than 391 days, $36,000 you will get back. If in the TLC's record they do not have the end of your suspension date, then you will get back $17,000. This is for the drivers who signed up for a hearing. In 2023, our union and the attorneys contacted all 20,000 drivers who were part of this class. We asked you to sign up for a hearing. 8,500 of you signed up. This is the money you will be getting back. If you did not sign up for a hearing, we did not leave you behind. You will also get back money, but your money will be 37.5% of what the other drivers will be getting back. So nobody will be left behind. Even one day of suspension, TLC, the City of New York, is going to have to respect you and pay you back the money that you were lost.
Great, thank you.